Welcome to the Town of North Hempstead's Clark Botanic Garden and Bird Sanctuary. I'm Town Supervisor Jennifer DeSena. We're proud to be an All-America Selections display garden, which means we provide the public an opportunity to view the newest plant winners in a beautiful, well-maintained setting. We hope you enjoy this virtual tour of some of the All-America Selections plant winners. May it inspire you to plant some winners yourself and to visit the Town of North Hempstead's Clark Botanic Garden.
Our AAS tour begins with our entrance gardens designed in a color wheel theme. Celosia Flamma Orange. It has superior garden performance. It stood up to hot, humid, and raining conditions. Petunia Bee's Knees works great as an element in mixed containers or as a hanging basket, but also thrives as a long, blooming ground cover. Begonia Viking XL Red on Chocolate, F1. A brand new begonia with large, uniquely colored dark leaves. These extra large mounded plants are perfect in both landscapes and containers. Colocasia Royal Hawaiian Waikiki. All American Selections has another first, a Colocasia winner. This beauty wowed the judges with its sturdy, large, glossy leaves that unfurled with a bold leaf coloration. Celosia Burning Embers with dark pink veins that contrast nicely with the vibrant pink flower plumes. Burning Ember does very well in both heat and humidity while remaining completely covered with blooms. Tomato Purple Zebra, F1. Purple Zebra tomato is a fun new addition to striped tomatoes. The taste is sweet and acidic leaning to sweet and with excellent disease resistant. This is a very marketable fruit for farmers and market growers. Cucumber Green Light F1. This little beauty is an excellent mini cucumber. The yield is very high with more attractive fruit, earlier maturity, and superior eating quality. Eggplant Icicle F1. This eggplant produces a nice yield while also providing fewer seeds. The pure white skin does not tend to yellow like many other white varieties of eggplant. The improved taste and texture has universal appeal.